Hi, I'm Parker. In this video, I'll show you how to make a drag and drop object in Clickteam Fusion 2.5. It's useful for many types of game and software development, so let's get started. Over in the frame editor, I have added an active object. Select the active and go to the Values tab in the Properties dialog. Here we will add two alterable values. The first will be named X offset and the second Y offset. Once we have added these values, we need to add a named flag. To do this, click New in the Flag section. We'll name this flag Drag. To set up the drag and drop, we need to test for the object being clicked. Set its drag flag on so long as the mouse button is being pressed, and finally set its position. So let's add an event that tests for the clicking on the active object. To do this, go to the keyboard and mouse icon and select the mouse, and then clicks on an object. This will bring up the options dialog for the click. We can leave this as default left button and single click and press OK. At this event, we will add an action that sets the drag flag on that we created earlier. Next, we will turn off the flag when we are not pressing the mouse button. Insert a new event from the keyboard and mouse object. This time select the mouse and select repeat while mouse key is pressed. We will need to test the left mouse button for this example. Now we need to right click this event and select negate. This will change the event to test for when the mouse button is not being pressed. On this event, set an action that turns off the drag flag. Finally, we need to set the X position of the object to the position of the mouse. To do this, insert an event that tests for the drag flag being on. On this event, we will first set the X position of the object to the X position of the mouse. So select position and then select set X position. Now in this dialog, type X mouse and press enter. Repeat this for Y position of the object and instead type Y mouse and press enter. You can now go ahead and run your app, and the drag and drop action should be applied to your object. To stop the object from snapping to the mouse pointer, we can calculate the difference between their positions and subtract this from the object position. On the first event that tests for the mouse clicking on our active object, we will add two new actions to set the X and Y offset values. On this event, set the X offset to the X mouse position minus the position of the object. Now we will repeat this for the Y offset value by subtracting the Y position of the object from the Y position of the mouse. Now we simply subtract the X and Y offset values from the actions that position the object. When we run the app, the object will no longer snap to the position of the mouse. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see. And as always, the source for this tutorial is linked in the description below. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.